Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you Middle Eastern kebab. First thing, I will blend onion, garlic, and salt in a food processor. Now in our minced meat, we will put the minced onion, our spices, sumac, minced meat, minced nana, mint, turmeric, and black pepper. We will mix all this and put in our hot skillet. This is our kebab. Now we will put it in hot skillet. For our assembly, we put a little sour cream, our kebab, a little onion on top, our tomato garnish, a little mint, and this is our Middle Eastern kebab. Enjoy! I hope you will like it.